I'm gonna start off by hydrating my face with this rose water. I'm gonna start off by hydrating my face with this Purely's Blue Lotus Moisturizer.
Words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body.
Now I already did my eyebrows with this Benefit pencil. I'm gonna start off with this OFRA Cosmetics primer. And this one has cucumber. I also have a coupon code that's OFRA 30 for 30% off. I did receive this one free courtesy of Octoly and OFRA Cosmetics. This one smells really good. It feels kind of tacky, which I actually love. I'm gonna start off with this Becca Foundation. This is the Ultimate Coverage Complexion Foundation. This one is in the color Olive. And I did receive this one completely free from Becca Cosmetics to try out. So just pump 2 on each side. I'm using a Morphe sponge to buff out my foundation. Well, actually, this one I would say that it's medium to full coverage. For concealer, I'm using this Revolution concealer. And this one is in the color C6. Okay, so it is a little bit light for me. Well, actually a lot light for me.
Still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take.
And as you guys can see, I'm just pouncing my beauty blender. That way I just don't remove all the work we just did.
Lose it all, lose it all, lose it all.
To set under my eye, I'm using this Cover FX setting powder. This one is in the color Translucent Light.
Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
To set the rest of my face, I'm using this CoverGirl Revitalift Healthy Powder. This one is in the color 710. To prime my eyes, I'm using this Revolution Makeup. For eyeshadows, I'm using this Wet n Wild palette. This is not my basic peach. I'm starting off with this color. I'm just buffing it in like slowly and make sure I tap off the excess because they are kind of powdery. For the next color, I'm using this one right here. I'm just applying it almost like under my transition color and it's pretty pigmented. Really like this one. By the way, I'm using a Morphe M504 brush. Wow, it's beautiful. I really love this color. For the next eyeshadow, I'm using this color right here. And now I'm just actually applying it in my outer V. I'm actually packing it on right there the most because that's where I want the most color payoff right there. And then I'm slowly buffing it in a little bit.
I wonder what went wrong today.
I'm gonna use this color that's right here. My camera turned off when I was cutting my crease. All I used was the Revolution Makeup Concealer to cut my crease. And I'm just gonna wet the brush just a tiny bit.
Over your body and over your soul, we're gonna take.
Next, I'm gonna be using this color right here. And I'm just applying it like in the middle. Right there. Next color I'm applying is this one right here.
Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the.
And lastly, I'm going to be applying this color right here. And I'm also applying the same color in my brow bone. And I'm just going to go with my brush and blend it out. And for the lower. lower lash line, I'm going to be buffing this color right here. Now I'm going to be using this color right here. And I wanted to use this color right here, but it's not really showing up on my skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply first this Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner. Okay, and I'm going to buff it out. And now I'm going to be buffing it out with this color right here. And now I'm going to be buffing it out with this color right here. For mascara, I'm using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. For my falsies, I'm going to be using my Lily Lashes in the style Miami.
Lose it all, lose it all, lose it all.
To set my face, I'm going to be using the Milani Dewy Mist Make It Last spray. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using my Becca Gradient Glow highlighter, and I'm using the lightest shade in this compact. Just because I want to be a little bit extra, I'm going to go ahead and wet the brush as well. To set my eyebrows, I'm using my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using this Becca Cosmetics bronzer in the color Bronze Bondi.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words?
To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to be using the middle color. And to highlight my face, I'm using my Becca Gradient Glow highlight. For blush, I'm using Milani's Luminoso, which is one of my favorite blushes of all time.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?
For my lips, I'm using my Galactic liquid lipstick. This one is in the color Sahara.
To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I'll be leaving all the details in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys next time.